Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're doing another Thanksgiving dish, a dessert, a bourbon infused Southern peach cobbler. These are the ingredients we will be using: pure vanilla extract, salt, milk, baking powder, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, cinnamon, fresh lemon juice, unsalted butter, and I have in this pot here frozen peaches. Now we're going to make the filling first. We're going to turn the pot on medium. We're going to add the granulated sugar, the lemon juice, the cinnamon, and we're going to add some unsalted butter. And some salt. Then we're going to cover this up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now that the peach filling is cooking, I have a pan here that I'm going to put some unsalted butter in. Then I'm going to put it in the oven and let it melt. Now let's mix the batter for the peach cobbler. The sugar, the flour, the baking powder, some salt, and the milk. I have a whisk here, and we're going to whisk this up together. Gonna add the vanilla extract. You see the batter? And we're going to set this aside and wait for the peach filling to cook. Now it's time to check in on the filling. I'm going to add some bourbon to my peach cobbler filling. I forgot earlier to say the bourbon when I was giving what ingredients to use. Let's check the peach filling and see how it's jumping in the pot. Yes, they are ready. Let's turn it off and assemble the peach cobbler. Now I'm going to add the batter to the pan with the melted butter. Now we're going to add the peach filling. We're going to put it in the oven and let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes or 40 minutes, depend on your oven. I have the oven set at 350 degrees. I've taken it out of the oven, and here you have it. Bourbon Infused Southern Peach Cobbler. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.